Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to pension. Miss Q retires from PQR Limited on 31st March 2022. So she is getting retired on 31st March 2022, which means she will start receiving the pension from 1/4/2022. The company pays 1400 per month as pension. So 1400 is per month pension. On the request of Miss Q, company pays 20,000 in lieu of commutation of 20% of pension with effect from 1/2/2023. So what happens? She's commuting 20% of pension on 1st February 2023 and she received 20,000 as commuted pension. We need to calculate the total taxable pension. So they have not given any information regarding whether Miss Q has received gratuity or she has not received any gratuity. If no information is pertaining to gratuity is given, then we consider that she has not received any of gratuity. ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Now the first one will be taxable value of commuted pension. So first we will write the value of commuted pension. The value of commuted pension is 20,000 rupees. In question they have given very clearly 20,000 rupees. Since she is not receiving any gratuity, half of the full pension will be given as exemption. Half of the full pension will be given as exemption. So the formula will be half into 20,000 into 100 by 20. Why 100 by 20? Because this 20,000 is only 20% of the full pension. We want to know the 100%. So 20 into 100 divided by 20,000 into 100 divided by 20. It will give us a value of 50,000. But the exemption cannot be more than the value actually. See, actually the value is only 20,000, but we are getting exemption 50,000. In such case, only up to the extent of actual commuted pension only the exemption will be given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ 20,000 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. Next, we have to calculate the taxable value of uncommuted pension. If you clearly see here, so date of retirement. So she's getting retired on 31st March 2022. Okay, pension. She receives pension from 1/4/2022. So 1/4/2022 ಇಂದ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ 1/4/2022 ಇಂದ 1/1/2023. Okay, how many months? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. 10 months. 10 months she is receiving only uncommuted pension. ಜನವರಿ ತನಕ ಅವಳು ಕೇವಲ ಅನ್ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 1400 per month. Next, from February she is commuting 20% as commuted pension. 20% as commuted pension. 20% ನ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 80% ಮಾತ್ರ. So remaining 80% of the pension only will be uncommuted. So she is getting retired on 31st March 2022. She receives pension from 1/4/2022. So from 1/4/2022 to 1st January, which is 10 months, she will receive only uncommuted pension, that is 4,400 per month. But from 1st February she is commuting 20% of the pension. Once she is commuting, what happens? Remaining 80% only will be received as uncommuted pension. So now from April to January, which is 10 months, she receives only uncommuted pension. So 1400 per month into 10 months will be 14,000. From February to March, okay, 2 months, she has commuted 20% as commuted pension. So remaining 80%, so 1400 into 80% into 2 months, she will be receiving as uncommuted pension. So when you add both of them, it will be 16,240. So 16,240 plus 0 will be 16,240. This is our taxable value of pension. This is how you need to solve. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my next video, I'll come back with some more problems.